Hey guys, Ralph here, and today we're going to change an RV taillight on our pop-up camper. Before doing any electrical work on your camper, just make sure that the battery is not connected by removing the negative terminal first. You can remove it by using an open socket wrench. Here I use a 15 mm open socket wrench. So this is the one that holds the taillight cover. You just need to press it really hard while pushing it out. Just use a pointed metal tip while pushing the cover out and it should come right off. Remove the 4 screws holding the taillight frame using a Phillips screwdriver. So for the wiring, you just need to follow the wires from before. So the black will connect to those 2 green wires. The green will connect to the red wire and the white will connect to the same white wire. And I also wrap the wires with electrical tape so it will be more secure. And we're also going to caulk it with this self-leveling sealant for RV. And this is our new plate light on our pop-up camper. Looks real nice. And on the other side is our old one, which we're going to change it as well. And that's how you change your plate light on your RV or pop-up camper. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.